Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do synthetic division. Synthetic division is a simple way to divide polynomials, but the only disadvantage is that it must be in the form x minus k. If you want to do anything more complex, you would have to do long division. So I have this equation here, x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6, and we want to divide that by x minus 1. So the first thing we do is we draw this ladder looking shape. And then we set x minus 1 to equal 0. And so that would be x equals 1. So we put 1 on the outside. And then we take the coefficients of each of these terms and put it into this shape. So this would be 1, minus 6, 11, and negative 6. And then we bring this first term down, so that'd just be 1. Then we multiply it by this term, which is 1. And then we add these two together, so negative 5. And then we keep on doing that. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Plus 11 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. And negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So if you get a 0 here, that means that there is no remainder. So what you would do is you would decrease the exponent by 1 for here. So this would be x squared, and this would become the coefficient, minus 5x plus 6. And since there's a 0 here, that means we have no remainder. So the answer of this divided by x minus 1 is x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let's do this next problem. Now we have 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So the first thing we do is we draw this shape. And then we set x minus 3 to equal 0. So that would be x equals 3. And then we put 3 on the outside. And then we put the coefficients of each of these terms in the inside. Okay, then we bring down this first. Then multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 times plus 0, 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 minus 1 is 5. But here now we don't have a 0 here. So that means that there is a remainder. So let's do this part first. So you would get 2x squared. Since this is a 0, we don't use this coefficient. Plus 2. And since we have this 5 here, we would put it as 5 over what we're dividing. So it would be this, x minus 3. And this is your remainder, and this is your answer. This whole thing is your answer. So this divided by this is 2x squared plus 2 and 5 over x minus 3.